Each year, the life of your roof diminishes significantly, and due to the exposure to our brutal hot sun 12 months a year, your roof will soon develop jagged cracks, letting moisture seep in. Add to this damaging winds, hailstorms increasing by the year, and for our friends up north, more than 50 freeze and thaw cycles per season, your roof doesn't stand a chance. After only 5 years, your roof rapidly deteriorates, showing small cracks, losing its flexibility, and becoming brittle and weak. Don't let the rapid aging of your roof damage your home. Protect it now. Shingle Saver, a treatment that regenerates shingles to make them 2 times more durable, protected, and resilient. Developed by Gonano, a nanotech firm dedicated to enhance and prolong the life of shingles. Our weather and storms are growing with intensity, but with just one treatment, your roof is 100% protected from UV rays, oxidation, and reduces liquid absorption by eliminating friction with water. Gonano is designed with nanoparticles 30,000 times smaller than a human hair, allowing penetration into shingles, changing its molecular structure, and regenerating the bonds between the oil and granules, which turns your old roof into an enhanced version of its original self. And for only 15 to 18% of the cost of replacing your shingles, we can instead double its life expectancy. Protect your investment while you can with the only product tested and proven in North America. Book your free evaluation with one of our specialists today and get the best price. Gonano, the future of protection.